This naturalrefrigerants.com article is being read by an automated voice. Star Refrigeration adds 2.75 megawatts of new ammonia refrigeration capacity at NewCold cold storage facility in the UK. By J. O. Haraldson. Published July 25, 2025. Star Refrigeration, a Scottish manufacturer of industrial refrigeration systems, has doubled the frozen storage capacity of a NewCold high bay automated warehouse in Corby, United Kingdom, with a 2.75 megawatts, 782 tons refrigeration, ammonia expansion system. The installation completed the second phase of a three-phase project. It added 75,000 pallet positions, bringing the total capacity of the facility to 150,000 pallet positions, which are kept at a storage temperature of negative 22 degrees Celsius or negative 7.6 degrees Fahrenheit. During the refrigeration installation, the warehouse remained fully operational, according to Star. The success of Phase 2 hinged on close collaboration with Star Refrigeration, said Richard Russell, Managing Director at NewCold UK. Their ability to seamlessly integrate new capacity while optimizing our existing system has allowed us to operate more efficiently, sustainably, and reliably. Star built its first ammonia system for a high bay automated warehouse in Grimsby, England, in 1996 as part of a project with frozen food equipment manufacturer Refrigeration. Today, the company maintains the refrigeration engine rooms of 6 high bay warehouses in the UK. The system, Phase 2, extended the capacity of the existing refrigeration plant. It added 2 megawatts, 569 tons refrigeration, of additional cooling capacity to the 41-meter, 134.5 feet, high bay section of the warehouse, and 750 kilowatts, 213 tons refrigeration, in the low bay section. The warehouse opened at the end of 2022. To avoid working at heights and enable easier installation, the refrigeration manufacturer prefabricated ammonia pipework and drains off-site for integration into the existing structure. The project team identified optimal locations for valve stations and electrical panels to reduce the time engineers spent in low-temperature environments, Star said. The manufacturer's Derby branch will provide maintenance and technical services for the NewCold Corby refrigeration system. Next up, Phase 3 of the project involves an entirely new and separate cold storage warehouse currently under construction at the Corby site. Star will provide a standalone single-stage ammonia pump system for the new building. We are excited to continue supporting NewCold's growth and innovation, Star said in a LinkedIn post. Operating costs, the specific energy consumption, SEC, the power required annually to cool a cubic meter of space, for large-capacity cold storage with Star low-charge ammonia systems installed in the UK runs in the single digits. The 2023 annual SEC of a 300,560 square meters, 3,253,200 square feet, automated warehouse in England with 2 packaged ammonia systems providing 1.24 megawatts, 353 tons refrigeration, of cooling capacity was 4.54 kilowatt hours per cubic meter, according to Andy Pearson, Group Managing Director at the company. The system, installed in 2021, outperformed Star's own best practices 2019 benchmark by 17% while maintaining cold storage at negative 21 degrees Celsius, negative 5.8 degrees Fahrenheit. Quotable: expanding our Corby facility was a critical step in scaling our operations to meet growing customer demand, Russell said. We are proud of what we have accomplished together and look forward to continuing that momentum in the next phase.